morning we're going to go whitewater rafting up on the American River, South Fork. We're taking Olivia and her friend. We're going to have a great time.
Hi kids. Are you guys excited?
Yep. Yes.
Are you guys afraid of getting wet?
No. Are you afraid to say your British accent? No. Come on, you didn't get it.
How about you do a British accent?
What? You want me to do a British accent? I can't do it. No, I won't. Well, I did used to be British because I'm from Hong Kong, so I used to be a British citizen. And then they handed me over to the Chinese, and now I'm Chinese.
Speak more.
Right?
Yeah, speak something more with Chinese accent.
Why you want me to talk Chinese? I know Chinese talk very good. I'm my English second language. No. Let's go. Get on the bus. Okay, let's get on the bus. We're going whitewater rafting with H2O Adventures. The bus took us to the launch site. Then we put on our rafting gear. Okay, got my life vest on. Oh.
Good morning and welcome to the South Fork of the American River, where we are ready to go rafting on 11 miles of fun. Who is ready to have some fun? Yeah, we're gonna have more fun than she can tell her grandkids about, okay? It's gonna be awesome. But before we get to all that good stuff, some safety to cover. Olivia's fallen into the boat and she needs to get pulled back in. So Olivia's gonna, first off, she's on her knees down there. Olivia's swimming down there. She wants to get pulled back in. She's gonna hand her paddle up to her friends. We're gonna take it, put it up, let go of the paddle, hold onto the rope with both hands. Good, and then we're gonna put the paddle out of the way, and then we're gonna pull Olivia back in. Now, how we pull Olivia back in is very important. We're not gonna do the bowling ball grip on the helmet, right? That's not gonna work out very well.
That's just gonna choke someone.
Yeah, it's not a good idea, huh? And we're certainly not gonna do the 2-finger nostril grab. That's just unsanitary. And then we're certainly never gonna grab Olivia by the arm. This is how shoulders get dislocated, right? Instead, we're gonna stand in the raft just like this. Our knees are against the tube. We grab on Olivia by the life jacket with both hands, and we fall backwards, pulling her in on top of us, just like that. Very good. Thank you, Olivia. There we go. Let's give Olivia a round of applause.
Yeah.
We should go to the right now. Yeah, forward.
A nice couple from Pismo Beach, Eddie and Cindy, joined us in our boat. We had booked a full-day rafting trip. In the morning, we practiced on calmer Class 2 rapids to learn how to paddle and prepare for the more exciting Class 3 rapids after lunch. Olivia and her friend Josh learned really quickly.
Hands like that. Hands up. And all forward. Stop. Yeah. We did it.
After a quick lunch, we were back on the river, ready for more whitewater excitement. Buckle in!
Forward, hard as you can!
Olivia, having fun?
We had an awesome ride. Yeah, we got a lot of water splash on us.
Whitewater rafting is a great way to experience the beautiful California scenery, and we all had an excellent time. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.